Revelation January 28, 2012, 11:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Despite the relatively mild winter so far, the Lord reveals life-threatening snowfall in the USA shortly. All should be careful, including those in the proximity of water bodies. April 23, 2012, a large snowstorm came barreling through the northeast, dropping 8 to 16 inches in some areas with threats of inclining. The storm even battered up the coast of Lake Ontario, Canada, cutting power to more than 75,000 people throughout the northeast. The frigid airs that blasted the Great Lakes was this season's first major lake-effect snowstorm.